Let's look at including percentage into our fraction and decimal. Let's say we had 5/8. We want it as a decimal. We want this to become a decimal, and then we see how much percentage it is. So again, long division. This is 5/8. 8 into 5, you can't, 0.08 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Divide by 10, in other words, add a 0. 8 into 50, 8, 5, 48, 6, 48 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. You divide by 10, in other words, add a 0 here. 8 into 20, how many 8 do we have in 20? 8, 2, 16. It's 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. You divide by 10. So you add the 0. 8 into 40 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40, 0. So that's where we stop. So 5/8. 5/8 is equal to 0.625 as a decimal. Now 0.625 is what percentage? First of all, 0.625 means the same as 0.625 out of 1. Now per means out of. 80 kilometers per hour means you're covering 80 kilometers out of every hour that passes. Dollars per liter of gas means you are paying, or the gas station is making, how much money in dollars out of every liter that it sells. So dollars per liter, kilometers per hour. Per means out of. So per, you divide out of. Cent means 100. So it's out of cent. Now, it means you must multiply the 1 by 100. Up here, this must also be multiplied by 100. So, 0.625 out of 1 is the same as, up here what happened? 0.625 times 100 is 62.5. 1 times 100, 100. So this is 62.5 per 100 per cent. So the short way of writing it is 62.5 slash means per, and the 2 zeros, just like this 0 and this 0, cent. So it's 62.5 per cent. Alright? Per 100 out of 100. Alright, so that's an example of looking at a number as a fraction, then convert it to a decimal, which we did here, and write it down as a percentage. So what we have, what we end up with, let me just erase this. What we end up with is the fact that 5/8 as a fraction is equal to 0.625 as a decimal, which is 62.5% as a percentage. So we end up with this. I'll see you.